And now mga kablay, we are here sa mga amenities ni Your Homes. So here at my back, kitang-kita nyo naman, no? Isa sa mga magandang amenities or features ng ating Your Homes na community is we have here these two pools. So meron po tayo ditong kiddie pool at meron din tayo ditong adult pool ka. Tingnan natin ng malapitan. Yes, right now mga kabalay, we are here mismo sa ating actual turnover. Mga kabalay, what you see is what you get. So this is the facade of our property. Nga pala, the name of our model house is Amora. So we are offering here inner unit, end unit, and corner unit. So let's go and I'm so excited to present to you yung ating Amora model. So as you can see, this is the front yard of your property. So may 4 meters tayo dito from your property line from here and up to here. No? So malaki pa yung space mo dito. You can have your carport here, or you can do an extension or renovation after. So we are offering here mga kabalay a 2-story house and lot. No? So laki pa ng space natin dito. Ito yung mismong design ng ating property, no? Yan, mahangin. Kinakita nyo naman, no? You feel the wind here, maganda yung lugar, no? And di po dito binabaha, no? As you can see, ito yung ating front yard, facade ng property. Yan. So we have here windows, no? Malaking mga windows natin dito, no? Ang ganda ng design na magkaka-design dito ng My City Homes sa ating Amora and also sa ating second floor. And on this side, samahan nyo ako, may extra space ka pa dito if you're looking for a corner lot or an end unit. Medyo maingay mga kabalay, no? Kasi ongoing yung construction natin dito and development sa ating Liora Homes. Yan. So ito yung extra space nating mga kabalay for an end unit and corner lot. So you have still windows dito and sa kabila, mas well ventilated if you want to have a corner or end unit. And you have an extra space here. And at the back, as you can see, nandito yung ating mismong kitchen area. And for this one is, yon sa taas mapapansin nyo, that is our promo na giveaway or previous ng developer na water storage, no? Rainwater storage mga kabalay. So you have ample space dito mga kabalay for your extension from your property line here, no? You can extend this one up to here. Malaki pa yung space natin dito, no? So we're done with the exterior of the property. Let's go sa loob ng ating unit. So here sa ating ground floor mga kabalay, as you can see, nandito tayo sa mismong model unit or dress up. For you to have an idea kung saan yung ilalagay yung dining area nyo, no, your living area. So, let's start muna dito sa ating main door. So, sa main door natin, as you can see, solid door to, mga kabalay. And what I like here, may promo si developer na door screen, no? At least ito sa alum ng door screen, mga malaking bagay na to, no, as promo na part ng turnover natin. Then, as you can see here, sa ating window, now, we also have here window screen. So, same promo rin yan, no? Makukuha nyo upon turnover. What I like the most is I want to present to you mga kabalay kasi itong ating solar panel board. Ayan. Ito yung ating solar panel. Actually mga kabalay, this solar panel, napakaganda dito kasi ang ating developer, they're more on eco-friendly, sustainability type community. So, yung kanina present ko is meron tayo itong water storage tank, no? Yung rainwater storage. Aside from that, meron tayo ditong solar panel. And also, meron tayo ditong mga door screen and window screen, no? Hindi lang yan, dito din meron tayong mga door screen. So, lahat ng windows natin dito is meron po tayong window screen. Ayan. So, Again, this is the ground floor, mataas yung ating ceiling, no? Ang pagkakagawa po natin dito mga kabalay is buhos po. So, pagbuhos, mas matibay, no? Hollow blocks po dito. And of course, makakasigurado tayo and guarantee na quality ang ating construction. So, sa side na to, nagkaroon ng design tayo dito for your walls, kung lagay yung mga gamit mo. And we put some storage here. Yan mga kabalay, no? Then, on this side is our bathroom. So, yung ating bathroom natin, complete na rin siya. May mga tiles, may lavatory, may shower handler, yan, toilet. And what like most dito, dahil meron tayong rainwater storage dito mga kabalay, here, no? Ito mga kabalay, tingnan nyo, we have here controller, no? Controller to for your water tank. So, yan, mas makakatipid ka ngayon sa tubig dahil meron kang 2 water tanks. And aside from that, meron tayong solar panel, mas makakatipid ka sa kuryente. So, saan ka pa? No? Let's go naman sa ating dirty kitchen or kitchen area. So, here, sabi ko nga, may door screen tayo na kasama pa rin dito. Yan. And by the way, mga kapatid, aside from door screen, kitang-kita nyo, we have metal flash door here, no? Hindi kinakalawang. Yung ating door dito going to our kitchen. So, this is our kitchen area. So, nandito yung ating kitchen. Semi-complete ng ating turnover dito mga kabalay. So, kayo na maglalagay dito ng mga cabinets. And if you wish, maglagay pa dito ng other renovation, pwede yan. No? Yan, dito rin, may daanin din tayo dito ng rainwater natin. No? And also, yung property line natin from here up to here. Yung ating area na yan. Yan. So, let's go back inside the house. Now, sa second floor naman tayo. Yan mga kabalay. For our second floor, we have accommodating 2 bedrooms here. Dahil ang ating pong turnover is semi-complete. So right now, nasa dress-up model tayo just to give you an idea, no? For our partitions. So this is the first bedroom, as you can see. Then, mapapansin nyo dito sa ating extra space or setback sa likod, nandito po yung ating mismong yan, water tank storage. No? Pero may space ka pa doon, at least meron ka pang mga 2.5 meters for your extension later on. No? Meron tayo ditong provision for our aircon. Yan. And for this one, no, it's a perfect fit for your daughters and your family, no? For this bedroom one. Okay? Here is our bedroom number 2 or master's bedroom. So, well spacious siya, malaki. You know? Ating space dito, kitang-kita, mataas yung ating ceiling. No? And we have 2 windows here. Malalaking mga windows natin. As is, meron tayo dito mga window screen na free from developer. What I like here, dahil semi-complete to mga kabalay, look yung space natin, no, sa harapan. No? Yung space natin mga kabalay dyan sa ating front yard, so that's the room for your extension and renovation. Malaki pa. Meron ka pang 4 meters sa harapan mo for your extension for another bedroom, or pwede kang maglagay dyan ng terrace or balcony. Yan mga kabalay. So, ito na yung mismong ating second floor ng ating mismong property. And now mga kabalay, we are here sa mga amenities ni Your Homes. So here at my back, kitang-kita nyo naman, no? Isa sa mga magandang amenities or features ng ating Your Homes na community is we have here these 2 pools. So meron po tayo ditong kiddie pool at meron din tayo ditong adult pool ka. Tingnan natin ng malapitan. So this one, ang ating pong swimming pool for adult pool, 3 feet to 5 feet. So malaki yung pool natin, dito nipid. If you have kids naman, no? We have also here kiddie pools. Yan mga kabalay. No? Imagine to a township community, no, na magkakaroon ng gantong kind of amenities, no? Saan pa hinahanap mo? No? Dito lang yan meron sa my Your Homes. And as you observe, ito yung ating mga, no, showers for kapag nag-swimming tayo, and also separated yung ating pang boys and pang girls na bathroom, no? Imagine mo, no, hindi tinapid yung ating swimming pool area. And may mga gazebo tayo dito. 1, 2, 3 na gazebos, no? And may mga open spaces pa tayo dito, mga kabalay. On my left side, no? This is our function room, no? Na napakalaki. So puntahan natin. This kind of amenities can handle large people or malaking event. So kung may mga event tayo like for your kids, birthdays, no? Somewhat like debut. So maganda ito yung ating mismong amenities sa Leora Homes. Let's go. Even ako na-amaze dito sa Leora Homes, mga kabalay, kasi for Pag-ibig and bank financing na township community na merong ganito, wala ka nang mahanap pa na gantong type na project na nag-offer ng gantong amenities. So this is our function halls. As you can see, puro sliding windows yan, no? Cleared window, ay sorry, di ba? Ayan. And look, see, napakalaki. Well, spacious, mataas, no? You can have your event here for your family. Yan mga kabalay, no? Then, within this function room, no? Pwede, at my left side naman yung ating one of the playgrounds. Let's go. Matutuwa kayo. So, here is one of the playgrounds or open spaces na meron tayo. If you have kids, no? Starting a family, napakaganda nito. So, may mga siso tayo dito. Slides, no? Napakaganda. You feel talaga matutuwa at mag-enjoy ang iyong mga anak or yung mga relatives, di ba? For this kind of amenities. So, mapapansin nyo, no, ganito kaganda yung ino-offer ng ating developer na My City Homes sa ating Leora Homes. Yan. And, wait, there's more. Ito naman yung ating covered court. Let's go. Yan mga kabalay. Kung sa iba is court lang, dito is covered court talaga. As you can, napakalaki isang full court, no? So masasabi mo ng full court. So pwede ka rin dito magkaroon ng volleyball, no? You can use this volleyball court or basketball court. Ang taas ng ceiling natin, no? And what I like here sa ating court is that meron tayo ditong bathrooms, female and male bathrooms, no? Sa ating court. So that is our communities na meron tayo dito or amenities that we have here. Covered basketball court, playground, function rooms na napakalaki, and also swimming pools, mga kabalay. That's the end of our house tour, mga kabalay. Just to give you a quick recap sa ating pong Leora Homes. So, ang ating property of the day is in Leora Homes here in Cavite. One ride to Manila. No, napaganda po ng ating location. This is along highway. So, may mga buses na po going to Manila, PITX, and MOA. This is available through Pag-ibig and bank financing. We are offering here 2-story townhouse available through Pag-ibig and bank financing. Yan mga kabalay. For more details like sample computation, no, reservation, and house tour sa ating property, no, just comment down below, message me directly on my mobile number, WhatsApp, Messenger, and Viber.